3 ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. Okay, first on my list is pineapple. So I have 1 pineapple here. This is a medium-sized pineapple. Okay, already cut, okay, washed and peeled. So I'm going to just put it in my blender. So I'm adding everything here. Okay. So I'll add my pineapple in my blender. So next on my list is watermelon. I'm going to add my watermelon, and this is half watermelon. It's not a big size, okay, half of it. Okay, so you can use a full watermelon if you want. Okay, I'm going to add it here in my blender. Okay, and lastly, this is my cucumber. Okay, this is big size, 2 big size of cucumber that is here, washed and diced. So I'm just going to add, you can see that it's much. Okay, so I'm just going to add little of it because of the quantity is much. Okay, everything cannot go in once. Okay, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Can you see? Please measure your water. 1 cup of water. But because everything did not go in here, I'm just going to use half here. Okay, and use half for this one. Okay, so I'm just going to cover my blender. I feel this is too much for the blender, but then let's just give it a try. Okay guys, so I had to reduce it. So I'm going to be adding it gradually. Okay, so I'm going to be adding it to it gradually. Okay. So I'm going to be adding it. This is much, guys. Okay. So now this is it. So I'm going to just add the half water to it. I've not added, I said a cup. We're using 1 cup, and what I have there. So this is very full, like it's very full. So guys, this is it. If you want it smoother, than this, you can continue blending. Okay, once I was done, I had to pour it here. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording. I didn't know that it wasn't recording. So I've poured it here now. So can you see? So I'm going to keep this in my freezer. You can keep it in the fridge or freezer just to preserve it. Okay, and then I still have a lot here. Can you see? Please guys, don't add any sweetener to it. Don't add sugar, don't add dates, don't add any sweetener to it, please. If you are the type that you cannot do without sugar, there's watermelon there, so you don't need any sweeteners. You can take it in the morning, 1 glass cup in the morning before breakfast, and then before you go to bed in the night, you take 1 glass cup. People will start asking you what you're using on your skin, because it's going to even reflect on how your skin is glowing. Okay, please don't add any sweetener. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video so that other people can learn. In fact, your body will thank you when you start taking this. See you guys in the next one. Bye.